Friends, little reminder, I've already pinned in injector wires and I'm about to start installing the ignition coil, trigger and ignition fault wires. So just the things you should know, maybe just one day you will be installing Stealth PCM to some 4-cylinder engine, no, one JZ Stealth PCM to some 4-cylinder engine. You just have to know that in case of coils, you cannot change the sequence of coil triggers. You should wire it in a specific way: first to first, third to fifth, fourth to third, second to sixth. So this information is available on the website, on their forum, but just so you know. And injectors sequence also different, so first to first, third to fifth, fourth to second, second to sixth. So just be aware, you cannot just connect first to first, second to second, la la la, it won't work. Yes, I will change in Tuner Studio that I have not 6x4 cylinder engine, but I have to wire exactly according to this wiring scheme, which is available on the Stealth PCM website. So like first to 10, injector third to 50, and blah blah blah. So this way, be careful in case if you will do the same job.